is one of these things is not like the others. Okay, well, I'm going to do this one with you, so you can go get a marker or a crayon or some of those fancy stickers, and we'll do this together. So along the top line, we have different patterns, okay? So we've done some of these in class as well. So we have the first pattern, second pattern, and a third pattern. And here we have, which pattern? Yeah, the second pattern. The third pattern. Oh, I am so sorry. I was reading this the wrong way. I apologize. I was looking at the camera. It's not the pattern I played. It was... Okay, so let's try that over. I am so sorry. Erase what that just happened. Okay, we're going to start back over here. Listen carefully. What pattern is this? Okay, now the second box. Now the third box. Which pattern is different, Sunshine Ones? I hear you. It is, and it's the middle one, and that is standing still. So that's the different one. So you can circle up that circle or stick a sticker there, whichever way you want. Okay, let's move on to number 2. Number 2. Now it's actually on the staff, so sometimes that can be a little bit trickier for some, but it's also starting I'm not starting this one on Elegant Edith or Middle C. I'm going to start that on, which letter is that? Well, and it's kind of hard as well, just because there's no staff here. I'm going to say we're doing it in Mrs. Treble Clef, okay? So that would be Grumpy G, okay? So this is what it sounds like. Here's this pattern. And then. So there again, which one is different? I hear you all. You're like, Miss Julia, it's standing still. Or standing still if I chose this to be Mrs. Treble Clef. Right on. And just by visual, some of you may have already figured out which one was different. And that's all we need as well. I just thought it'd be fun to kind of put some music to it as well. Okay? Perfect. Great job, you guys. All right. Let's go to K63. This was bass clef, okay, with a crescendo, and this is your repeat sign. So I will play this, and then you can listen to it, and then you can play it and see if they're the same, and then you can put a sticker on there, okay? All right, bass clef, K63. 1, 2, ready, listen. I bet you all caught the repeat sign. Awesome. Okay, put a sticker on that for yourselves. Great job. All right, so we're going to go to our new song for the week, and that is on K64 and 65. It is a 2-page song, okay? It's called Tigers. If we were together, I would have you walk around the room as we practice the rhythm of the song, but because you can walk around the room if you so choose, a different movement activity to get up. And for now though, I will clap, but I do encourage you to walk around the room in that same type of rhythm, okay? So I will clap Tigers for you. Ready? 1, 2, ready, clap. Hop, 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 hop. Hop, 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 T, 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 hop, 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 turtle, turtle, hop, 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 sleepy panda. Right on. You know, it says tigers, tigers, walking, walking. Tigers, tigers, running, 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 running. Tigers, tigers, stare, stare. Tigers fall asleep. I suggest that you can always put on the last line here a decrescendo, okay? Because the tiger's gonna go to sleep, so you can put a decrescendo, okay? And then we will all gonna get a little bit quieter. So that's something you can add there. Would be a decrescendo, okay? And just a little reminder, you can highlight for which hand. And what hand is that, Sunshine Ones? That's right, it's the Mrs. Treble-Clef hand. And we have 4 beats per measure. That's what that top note, our top number tells us in our time signature. And do we repeat? No, we don't. We don't have our 2 dots there. So it's just our stop sign. So when you put it onto your piano, make sure you're putting out both pages, okay? Right on. Looking forward to hearing some of those. All right, let's move on to KS24. The bunny hop, okay? All right, we are going to just play this because this is from last week. Which hand do we play with? That's right, the Mr. Bass Clef. All right, 1, 2, ready, play. Hop, 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 hop. Rest. Right on. Good job. Again, you can give yourselves a sticker. And let's move on to S45 was the finger game. I did videotape myself playing that last week, so please feel free to play it again. And you know, once you now probably know the tune, you can also change the numbers if you want and kind of quiz yourself or just follow along with what I had said. Did you find my trick up there? That's right, I repeated finger number 3. So I don't know if you did or not, but yes, you can go ahead and do the same, playing that over and over, or you can do it yourselves and just kind of mix up the numbers again. Okay, so that's S45, and that's the finger game. Okay, so then we're going to go to K66, My Song is what it's called. Aw, My Song, and it has some hearts underneath. Okay, so here, everything is so grown up now. You all have come so far from that first lesson in September, and now it's all grown up. Okay, this is as grown up as it gets, and I'm super proud of all of you. Which hand would we play with? That's right, Mrs. Treble-Clef. How many beats per measure? 4, that's right. And do we have a repeat? No repeat. Do we have turtles? We do have turtles over there, 2 of them. And do we have any hops? That's right, we do have hops. Quite a few of hops. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Perfect. All right. So this song, you can just go right ahead. I will play it for you for an example. Okay. So 1, 2, ready, listen. So this week, I want you to add some dynamics, okay? We know quite a few, but I think it would be fun to play this fortissimo, which would be the letter F, plus another F, right? Fortissimo. And then I would like us to play this forte, okay? So just one F. And your fingers will be finger 1, finger 2. Finger 1, finger 2, finger 1, okay? So you're just going to go between finger 1 and finger 2 on your right hand, okay? And you can highlight so you know, and you can also highlight just your stop sign if you want. Or if it's something, I always use highlighting as something where I'm like, oh, I might forget. So then I might say, oh, I'm going to highlight my turtles, because if I'm going along with hops, then I may just, oh, it's a turtle, and I might just want that as my attention. So I might just highlight my turtles, okay? It's just different suggestions, okay? Because you have to make it your own in regards to what you feel you might miss, and that you might need just kind of that quick kind of, oh, that's something to be aware of, and then you can go along and play. Okay, so good luck with that piece. Perfect. All right, and then we're going to do S10. We've done this one in class. It is we can move our fingers, okay? This is we can move our fingers to the right, to the left, to and fro. Okay, let's try this out. We can move our fingers to the right, to the left, to and fro. We can move our fingers up so high, move our fingers way down low. Second time through. We can move our fingers to the right, to the left, to and fro. We can move our fingers up so high, move our fingers down so to do. Right on. That's fun. I like playing that song over and over. And it's a little bit of a movement activity as well. Also, I was digging through my tickle trunks, and this is something we would have did in class. It is something you can do at home though as well. I had purchased these ice cream cone cutouts, which are super summer, and I would have given out, say 5, and I would have had the parent hold them up, like holding cards, and then I would have the student pick one, okay? And on that ice cream cone would be different rhythms or different rests. So here is an example. So if this was in my mom or dad's or grandma and grandpa's hands, like this, I as the child would then pick this one. And I would go, okay, this is, that's right, Sunshine Ones. That is Sleepy Panda. And I would have to clap that rhythm for the parent for me to keep my ice cream cone. Okay, so you can make these at home. They don't have to be on fancy, ice cream cones. Just be simple blank paper, just something different. And then I would go, oh, I'm going to try again. I'm going to pick this one. That's right. This is the hop rest. And he gets how many beats? 1. Right on. How about this one? That's right. It's a TT. Right on. How many beats? 1. Awesome. And how about this one? It's a hop. And how many beats? 1. Perfect. So something fun. You can make it creative. You can make, what else could you make for summer? These are ice cream cones. I might want to make little soda cans, maybe Mr. Freezies. It's a fun thing. A little craft is always kind of neat to do. So that's another thing, just to review our rhythms and our rests and so on. Have fun this week. Enjoy the beautiful weather that's coming our way. And I do look forward to next week. And parents, I may continue on one maybe 2 lessons past next week, if that's okay with you, just to keep them going and go through some more. I still don't have a confirmation on our recital, but do please practice, because I think it'd be neat if you could record them and send them my way, and then I can send to Arlene, and maybe she'll make something up, or I can just send it, maybe if you're okay, for our group, and I can send it to our group messenger so everybody can hear each other play, okay, before summer really starts for all of us. So best of luck practicing. Any questions, let me know. Any concerns, let me know. I look forward to next week, and let's sing our farewell song. So long, farewell, our music class is over. We sang a bit and played a bit, and now it's time to study it. So long, Sunshine One. See you next week.